The first thing we're going to be doing is we are going to get the part of the power and we are going to straighten this out. Now the reason we need to straighten that out so that way our tire will seal. Now I haven't had time to work on the backhoe, but today is the day that power. Now this is a good piece of equipment to have. Alright, so let me set you guys up. So I'm going to be using a foot like this. Okay, then we're just going to set this up right there. Looks like probably can use one of these. That's too big. Alright, see if I can go this way. Like that. Alright, I'll go do this. Oh man, that's working out pretty good. Release it. I'll put it over some.